So this is the latest project on the channel. It is a 2011 60 plate MK6 Golf. So 1.4 TSI, and it's HPI clear. So just have a look about. It's got these alloy wheels on, I think they're 16s. We'll have a look around outside first. Come around, obviously both the side grills are missing. Now, as you would have seen, it's obviously got damage here. So you've already got replacement bumper for that. I did order a wing because the previous owner bought a wing, decided to rattle can it, and obviously it's dented anyway, so we are waiting for another one of them to turn up. Before I get into how I come about getting this car, let me just jump up it. So what's happened is he sprayed it on the car, so you can see all the overspray there. It's all overspray on it there, down there, and here. So that's pretty much, let's get that down, that's pretty much all there is to it. Like I said, it's HPI clear. It hasn't come from auction. There is obviously a little bit of overspray on that as well. It's done a poor job. So we're literally going to be changing that and the bumper, putting it all back together, and it's ready to go. Very quick job. Now, how I come about getting this car, obviously put an advert out for recoveries and scrap cars and so on. Guy rang me up, fairly local. He said, I've got a flat tyre, I need the car taken to a tyre shop to have a new tyre fitted, which was this tyre here. So I'll put a picture in of what it looked like before. So what happened is, it was a hit and run. A car drove into the side of it, didn't stop while this was parked, didn't stop, and left him with that damage. Got talking to the guy. He said, I'm going to be selling the car. I said, how much are you selling it for? He said, we buy any car, I've offered me $2 grand for it. So anyway, I had a look around it. I said, would you take 1850 and I'll stick it on the back of the truck? So he took 1850, paid him the money, and here we are. Now the mileage, we'll have a look in the inside, but I'm very happy with this purchase. Have a look on the inside of the car. Now, as you can see, it's nothing spectacular. Got the controls on the steering wheel. It's got sat nav, DVD. Mileage is 130,000, which I think that's about average, maybe above average. I need to clean that up. Dirty mark there. All the seats are in good nick, you know. Look in the back there as well. All good. Just obviously needs a bit of a clean up. Don't know what that is. What's that? Goodness. Auxiliary. Manual, as you can see, it's manual. Come with full service history, fully stamped. Got auto lights. So we'll give it a little start up. Pop the bonnet, look under there. So yeah, this is going to be a very quick flip car, and hopefully a nice bit of profit in this once it's all done. Just give it a start up. As you can hear, it's so quiet. Sounds like there's a little rattle actually. Let's have a look. It's all good. Right. Have a look under here. Obviously that needs putting back on. obviously needs a good clean. It's a 1.4 TSI. It's got a little turbo there, little dinky turbo. There we go, it's coming down now. But the light is all okay. I think that's been changed, to be fair. As you can see, where he's sprayed it, he's not done a great job. What we're going to do, I'm waiting for the new wing to come before I take any of this off, because obviously I'm having it sat on the truck. I'm literally going to take it all off in the next video and put the new stuff on. This is just sort of a little walk around video just to show you guys what we've got on the channel. But bodywork wise, pretty clean, other than what we've just spoken about. That's all okay, that's not cracked, just needs adjusting. The bonnet's all good, so it's literally just a bumper and a wing. The wheel looks all good, a little mark there, we just need a good clean up. All the pads look okay. So yeah, what do we think? Little mark there, that'll come out. A nice little car indeed. In the boot, oh, we've got to unlock it. Ah, what we got here? What's that? That's a touch, isn't it? Gee, I didn't even know that was in there. What a result. We've got a not free stereo. Happy days. There we go. Even used Halford's paint, terrible. Yeah, obviously got a spare wheel there. Can't believe that's in there. It's exactly the same, isn't it, that one? I think. Unless that's the standard one and the other one's like an upgraded one. Who knows? But yeah, this is the. Oh, it's got parking sensors as well. Don't know if that comes standard. I presume so. Let's have a look at the back. All nice and clean. No rips on the seats. No dirty marks. Door cars look all good. Lovely. Lovely job. Got a little ding there. Not worried too much about that. But yeah, let's show this other bumper. So this is the replacement bumper we've got for the car. Now, I'll show you something quick. This has got parking sensors, whereas this one doesn't. So I don't know if any of you guys will be able to guide me on the right path here, but is it possible to just drill the holes for the sensors, or is it a case that I need to get a different bumper altogether? A few people have said that you can just drill the holes and you can put the existing sensors out of the old one into this, but I'm not sure. So if anyone does know that, feel free to drop me a comment and point me in the right direction. The radio is touchscreen as well. Nice. So yeah, I just wanted to get this on the channel, new projects. It's not going to be a long-winded project, it's actually going to be 1 or 2 videos after. Probably just one more, I think, because we'll get it all changed out and then we'll go through the numbers. We know how much I paid for it. We'll go through how much the parts cost. And obviously, once it's all done, then we'll put it up for sale. Like I said, I've got the logbook, everything, I've got all the service history. It's HPI clear, so we can get sort of market value for it. So that's good. Let me know what you guys think of the new project. Do you think it's a good buy at that price? Do you think I paid too much? Yeah, I'm happy with it. I mean, you know, it's a 2011 Golf. You know, Volkswagen's a very reliable brand, very good, you know, good make. So I'm very happy with it. If you just drop me a comment, let me know what you guys think. That'd be much appreciated. But yeah, like I said, we are waiting on the wing. As soon as the wing comes, we can get the parts down the body shop and then yeah, we can wrap it up. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.